My mom sent me these cookies. But then the really funny thing is she sent me this mold for Jell-O that's the shape of a penis.
What?
And she's not even, like, usually that funny.
Yeah.
And then she sent me Jell-O, so I made it. It's in the fridge.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's really
Oh my god, it's so
Check it out.
awesome.
It's ridiculous.
Oh my god. I got some.
Oh gosh. Did you hear the quote? Please tell me you did.
Oh my god.
Happy Hanukkah, buddy. Oh shit. That
That was
was
retarded.
so fucking.
Good job, Dan. Good job, Christina.
Oh my god.
And we know who likes penis.
I love that. Oh, I thought I said give Jesus a chance.